People are realizing how messed up the world is, and people are talking about it. Now, I knew about this stuff at least for 10 years now, 10 to 9 years. And what people are feeling now is what I felt when I first heard about it. And that is like being sick to your stomach, nauseous. It's just the worst of the worst you can even imagine that's happening. And this is just a tip of the iceberg. It's way worse than what's being released right now. No, I didn't really research all of it, but people were talking about this back in 2016, 2017. And yeah, it's shocking news. It's just the worst you can imagine that's happening in the world, and how these top 1% people are controlling everything. And we are just ants to them.